Back to my channel. What's up? Today video we are going to look at top 6 functions that as a data analyst in 2026 you should know. One being XLOOKUP, second filter, unique, TEXTSPLIT, sort and drop. Let's begin. You type SQL sign and then XLOOKUP and then tab key, the lookup value. We want to retrieve quantity supplied by comma F01. Since it's a text, we're going to have it in a quoted commas. So F012, close. So the lookup array is the farmer ID. Return the quantity, exact match. We have our figure. So let's look at the farmer F012 if it's really 480. So we are correct. Let's do filter and we want to display only farmers from Kisumu. So array, Kisumu is located in the county, is equal to, since Kisumu is a text, we are going to have it in a quoted commas. So let's look at what we have filtered. So we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, F0 Kisumu, F04 Kisumu, F08 Kisumu, F011 Kisumu, and the last one is F014 Kisumu. So we are correct. Let's move. We want to obtain unique counties by using the unique function. So the county, you click, close the bracket, and then you have your unique counties. Let's move on. We want to do the text split by splitting the training topic. So for you to do that, you go to data, click text column, select first what you want to text to have it as text to column. So this, click it, delimited, next, being separated, delimiters by comma, next. Before you finish, select the location so that it doesn't overwrite your data. Here we have our topics being displayed, at least compared to this one and this one. This second one that we have done is presentable. So you can uplift this and take it to your table by adding some columns here. So let's move on. We want to do the other one, sorting, and we are going to click equal to sorting. Then we want to sort farmers by quantity. One, which is the ascending. Let's see ascending from the smallest to the largest. So we have 280, which is the smallest. The largest is 620. Let's do the last one, dropped, or drop, equal to drop. So we want to remove the first row of data and we're going to use the farm ID. Now this one. Sorry, I wanted to adjust this. So before I do that, let me remove this formula. So I wanted to adjust this column so that you can see farm ID. So it's okay. So we can resume. So it's equal to drop tab key farm ID we want to drop the first row. So when you look at the column for the farm ID, the farm ID name has been removed, and then you are remaining with the real farmer IDs. So the header farm ID has been removed, and then you have these farm IDs. So those are top 6 functions that, as a data analyst in 2026, you should not miss out. You should know them because they are going to help you to do data cleaning and during data analysis. So thank you so much. I hope this video has been educative and it has helped you to learn more using Excel. And you know, Excel is a powerful Microsoft app that you can do a lot with it and make your work easier. So thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider doing it. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Tune in so that you can view more videos which are coming up, which are very educative and very insightful. Thank you.